Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing off a brand new app called Privacy Guard, which is now available, and the fine folks behind the app, LEOMASTER, asked if I could show off some of the key features in this video. So here at the bottom section in white, you're going to see 5 different features, and what's really nice is these are features that you would normally download a standalone app for, but this app actually brings all of them together in one, which is really nice. So let's go through them. Let's start off with album. What I really like about this is you can either set a passcode to keep everything locked, or you can just use your Touch ID, which is very useful, of course. So what you see is the private album, which is the default album that they make, and then private camera. We'll get to private camera in a little bit. But what I really like is you can make multiple albums, basically add any photo from your camera roll into the app, and then delete it from your camera roll, and it is now password protected. Now, I don't know what kind of photos you would be hiding, but I'm just saying it's something that could come in handy. Now, the next thing is the safe, which is basically a place for you to store sensitive information like your bank card or login information or a membership card, things like that. It's just a nice way to have that all stored within the app. So next up is the QR code scanner. 2 things that I really like about this. 1, you don't need a separate app for QR code scanning, which can be very annoying. 2, it will actually not bring you to the link right away. It will just tell you what the link is because this app is all about privacy. So it's going to let you know where they're trying to direct you before actually sending you there. So for instance, if I wanted to scan this right away, you'll see swashing.tv. That's my URL, and I could just copy the link. I could go right to the website, and that's that. So it's just a very simple thing, and I know QR codes are kind of dying, but that's why it's nice to have it built into an app where it's not the main function. So now we're on to the camera, and honestly, this is probably one of my favorite things. It can be seen as kind of creepy, but it's also like pretty legit. So what we want to do is go on there and you'll see a couple of different options. We have 2048 mode, which is I don't know if it's still a popular game. I'm sure it is. Then we have black screen, Facebook, Safari, and then right back to 2048. So for instance, I'm going to show off 2048. Make sure your phone's muted, otherwise I'm going to hear you take a photo, but with this slight movement of my thumb, I can then show my camera, and if I want, I could kind of make it go in and out. And let's say I want to take a picture of this, just tap on the screen, and if someone said, hey, did you just take a photo of me? You're just like, dude, I'm playing 2048. I don't know what you're talking about. And then I could go on over to the album and see, boom, there's the picture that I just took, and it's stored privately, not in my camera roll, but within the app. Now, the 5th and final feature out of all of these is the monitor section. And this is really cool because basically it's going to allow you to see the RAM, storage, and CPU usage of your phone. And you could also actually cap yourself with your data every month, which is crazy if you want to go that way. Or you could just see how much longer is left on your battery, and then you could even click on the little more button and see how much time is remaining. Now, this isn't working for me because my phone just came off the charger, but it will work, and normally that's showing how many hours are left for certain actions. The last thing I'm going to talk about is this big blue section right here, which if you just tap it, it will check through your phone and make sure everything is good, which it's probably good. So now you see these 5 main features are pretty awesome, especially because they're all in one, and the app is free and available now, link down below. And I want to give a shout out to LEOMASTER for making this video possible. And with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you got this far into the video, go ahead and write Flamingo! Just Flamingo this time. Nothing crazy, okay? And that's gonna do it. Don't forget, I'm Matt Philly and you're not. Get out of my face. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the flippity flop.